Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are all doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to NIBS Home School. Here I am Lokman, assistant teacher of English, NIBS Day Shift. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic has been taken from your English for today, Unit 24, Lesson 4 and 5. This is my 15 number lecture and HW number also 15. Our today's discussion topic is all about Cyclone Aila. It was happened in 2009 in Dublarchur Island. Our today's discussion topic has been taken from Babul's family, who lost their family members, who lost their livestock, who lost their cattle and other valuable, important, precious things on that time. Today I will discuss the next day of Cyclone Aila. What was happening then? Basically, Babul's family lost their two family members, her Babul younger sister Nipa and his grandfather also. They were missing. Finally, they found out that Nipa was alive, but they lost their grandfather. This is the tragic scenery of Babul's family about Cyclone Aila. Let's have a look. The next day was awful. Babul's family couldn't stop crying. Nipa and grandfather were gone. Babul's father went out to look for them. He found Nipa in a field. Finally, he found Nipa in a field. She was holding onto a tree and she was covered in mud. She didn't remember anything. He took Nipa at home and began looking for his father. He looked in the fields, the buildings, and in the trees. Many people in Bangladesh were missing after Cyclone Aila. Many people lost their family members on that time. Husband lost their wife lost their husbands, parents lost their daughters and sons, and their others important family, cattle, livestock, etc. The family never found him. After Cyclone Aila, people worked together. They wanted to get back from this loss. They wanted to turn back from this great loss. They wanted to rebuild their house. They wanted to rebuild their crops, They started cultivating crops. Finally, they wanted to lead a normal life. Okay, Nipa's school became the shelter for the survivors. Babul and his family went to live in the school. The government of Bangladesh and other workers from NGO came to help them. Many members from NGO organization came to help them, came to take them shelters, but things were very hard. There wasn't enough and drinking water or food, so many people became ill. Many people were suffering different diseases. People repaired their homes and rebuilt their villages and bridges. They planted new trees and new crops in their fields. Babul feels happy when he looks at the trees, his sister Nipa. Babul became very happy because he found out her sister Nipa alive. Okay, but he feels sad about his grandfather because he lost his grandfather forever. His grandmother says, "Don't be sad, Babul. Grandfather wants us to live for the future." So my beloved student, this is all about our today's discussion. Now take your HW. Your HW is writing 5 sentences. This HW has been taken from your suggestion. You have already got your suggestion. Number 1 and number 2, writing 5 sentences is your HW. The instruction is here. Here is a schedule of daily activities of a doctor of a hospital. Write 5 sentences using the hours of the day when the doctor does these activities. Write the time in number and sequence of activities on ordinal number. Remember, the time should be in number and the sequence should be in ordinal number. Here is given a table. This table you have to write all in a sentence. You have to arrange the table into sentences. Again, in the same way, number 2, here is an exam schedule of class 5. Write 5 sentences using days of the week when you will attend the exam. My beloved students, keep in mind, when you follow this structure, follow this instruction of tense. Here is given the instruction in future indefinite tense. Your answer also should be in future indefinite tense. Here the instruction was given in present indefinite tense. Your answer should be in present indefinite tense. Follow the tense. First, here given days of the week, it can be second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth day. I mean the first day is missing and the seventh day also missing. Remember to follow this instruction. In second day means if is given the instruction Saturday is the first day, so second day is the Sunday. And third day means Monday. Follow this day and subject of the exam. This subject exam will be held on the following days. You have to write full sentence. The sentence must be grammatically accurate. So this is all about our today's class. I hope you have understood our today's discussion. Now you need to take preparation for annual examination. You should submit this HW coming Sunday and to collect the previous also. Stay home, stay safe, listen to your parents. Allah Hafiz.